Dear students, now we are in the chapter System of Circles. System of Circle IP we are going to discuss example 1, page number 85. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle which passes through 1, 1 and cuts orthogonally each of the circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 16 equal to 0 comma x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. Here we should calculate an equation of circle which is passing through a point and orthogonal to two circles. A circle which is passing through 1, 1 and orthogonal to this is put 90 degrees like this. And put 90 degrees like this. Orthogonal to two circles. This is rough diagram. Let the required equation of circle. Let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Since one passing through the point 1, 1, you substitute here 1, 1, you will be getting as 2g plus 2f plus c is equal to minus 2, second equation. And given circles, let us write given circles. Given circles x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 16 equal to 0. This is third equation. And x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y minus 1 equal to 0. This is fourth equation. Let us write since 1, 2 are orthogonal. Since 1, 2 are orthogonal. So using the formula 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. You should remember the formula and you pronounce the formula number of times. Then you can get the formula easily. 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. That implies 2g means 2g here for this circle. G dash means for in this circle, g dash is equal to minus 4 plus 2f means here 2f, f dash here it is minus 1 is equal to c plus 16. That implies minus 8g minus 2f is equal to c plus 16. We can write here minus c is equal to 16. Let it be fifth equation. Now again I am writing since 1, not this one, 2, 1, 3 you should write. Later 1, 4. 1, 4 are orthogonal. So using the formula 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g means here 2g into according to g dash here minus 2. 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into minus 2 is equal to c minus 1. That implies minus 4g minus 4f minus c is equal to minus 1. Let it be sixth equation. Now we can do 5 minus 6. 5 minus 6, minus 8 plus 4 becomes minus 4g, minus 2 plus 4 becomes plus 2f, minus 3 plus c will be getting cancelled, 16 plus 1 is equal to 17. We can write as 4g minus 2f plus 17 equal to 0. Let this is the seventh equation. Later, from second equation to this equation, fifth we can get cancelled, subtract. Otherwise 2 minus 6 it is better. Now 2 minus 6 I am writing. 2 minus 6. 2g plus 6 4g becomes 6g. Plus 2f plus 6f plus 2f. 2f plus 4f, it is 6f. Plus c, so better to add, it is better, not subtract. 2 plus 6 I am writing. 2 plus 6. Because c should be get cancelled. 2g plus 2g minus 4g, adding we are doing. Minus 2g. 2f minus 4f, minus 2f. C minus c will be getting cancelled. Minus 2 plus 1. Minus 2 adding. So minus 2 minus 1. So minus 3. Minus 2 minus 1. That implies 2g plus 2f plus 3 equal to 0. Let it be 8th equation. Solving 7 and 8 we get. Solving 7 comma 8 we get. Minus 2, 17, 4, minus 2. Here 2, 3, 2, 2. This is for G, this is for F, this is for 1. G by minus 6 minus 34 minus 40. F by 34 minus 12. 22. 1 by 8 plus, this is 34 minus 12. 22. 8 plus 4, 12. So G is equal to minus 40 by 12. So minus 20 by 6. F is equal to 22 by 12, 11 by 6. Substitute the G and F values in 2. From 2 I am writing. From 2, 2G. 2G means minus 40 by 6. So minus 20 by 3. 2F, this is 11 by 3. Plus C is equal to minus 2. Minus 20 plus 11 minus 9. Minus 9 by 3 is minus 3. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus C. Minus 3 plus 2 is equal to minus C. Minus 1 equal to minus C. C is equal to 1. So substitute the values. Substitute the values G of C. In 1 we get sub G is equal to minus 20 by 6. Comma F is equal to 11 by 6. Comma C is equal to 1 in 1, first equation. We obtain required equation of circle. We obtain required equation of circle is x square plus y square. Better to take LCM. 2g means 2 into minus 20 by 6. Here g means minus 20 by 3. So take an LCM, it becomes 3. 3 into x square. 3 into x square plus y square minus 20x plus 11y plus 3 is equal to 0. Plus 11y plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the required equation of circle. T into x square plus y square minus 14x plus 23y minus 15 he given. If there is any mistake, verify yourself. Okay. Let us going to discuss third and fourth question also, which are IMP questions. Example 3 and example 4 also. Don't confuse about example 2. Easy method is there, not a tough method. Easy method is there. How to solve in easy method I will say in next exercise. So don't get confused. Leave the example 2 sometime. In exercise 2b I will say the easy method. Example 3. If the straight line represented by x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to p. If the straight line x cos alpha y sin alpha equal to p intersects a circle. If the straight line intersects the circle x square plus y square is equal to a square at points A and B, at A comma B, find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle having AB as diameter. Having AB as diameter. This is MSET question. Important MSET question. Given in MSET so many times. Draw like this. AB as diameter. A circle. This is a circle. S is equal to 0. This is the line AB. L is equal to 0. A line x cos alpha plus y sin alpha equal to B intersect the circle in two distinct points. We should calculate the equation of circle which is passing through the point of intersection of A and B, and the circle should have the diameter as AB. So AB is the diameter. Draw like this. This is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. S plus lambda L is equal to 0. This is a 4 marks IMP question in IPE, and it is an important MSET bit also. Given circle S is equal to x square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Line L is equal to x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0. Formula required equation of circle. In previous class I said the formula. Required equation of circle is S plus lambda L is equal to 0. S plus lambda L is equal to 0. That implies x square plus y square minus a square plus lambda into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p is equal to 0. That implies, write like this, x square plus y square plus x taken common. You can write as lambda cos alpha plus y taken common. You can write this one as lambda sin alpha minus a square minus lambda p equal to 0. Calculate the center of this second circle. Center you can write as minus lambda by 2 cos alpha, comma minus lambda by 2 sin alpha. Since AB is the diameter of this circle. AB is the diameter of this circle. This means here second circle which is passing through the point of intersection of circle in a line. Since AB is diameter of this circle, then center lie on AB. So this center lie on the line. Center lie on AB. So instead of x, you substitute the value minus lambda by 2 cos alpha. Here in x cos alpha. Minus lambda by 2. Minus lambda by 2 cos alpha into cos alpha. Next minus lambda by 2 sin alpha. Minus lambda by 2 sin alpha into sin alpha minus p equal to 0. Minus lambda by 2 taken common. You can write this one as cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to p. Cos square alpha plus sin square alpha equal to p. So lambda is equal to minus 2p. Substitute this lambda in, let this is 1. Substitute sub in 1. So we get the required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 2p into x cos alpha plus y sin alpha minus p equal to 0. That's all. This is the required equation of circle passing to the point of intersection and a line. Next, IMP 4 mark sum is there, fourth question, and this is also MCET important bit. In level 1, these types of questions are there. Example 4, page 87. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle passing through. Find the equation of circle passing through the points of intersection of circles. Passing through the points of intersection. Passing through the points of intersection of circles. X square plus y square minus 8x, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y minus 21 equal to 0, comma x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0, and the point 1 comma 2, and the point 1 comma 2. This is the concept. We should calculate the equation of circle passing through the points of intersection of this one A comma B. This is another circle we need, and also this circle is passing through 1 comma 2. So this is S is equal to 0. This is S dash is equal to 0. Required equation of circle is according to formula, required equation of circle is S plus lambda S dash equal to 0. That implies, first of all, you should write given circles S and S dash. Later you write the formula x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y, x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 plus lambda into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Let it be first equation. Since this one passing through, since this is passing through 1 comma 1, substitute the value here 1 plus 1 2 2 minus 8 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 12 plus 29 9 plus lambda into 1 plus 1 2 2 minus 2 get cancelled minus 15 equal to 0. Here 1 plus passing through the point given as 1 comma 2 students, not 1 comma 1. 1 comma 2. Substitute here, it becomes 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 minus 8 minus 12 plus 21 plus lambda into 1 plus 4 minus 2 minus 15 equal to 0. 1 4 5 5 21 26 26 minus 26 6 plus lambda into 4, 1, 5, 5 minus 17 minus 12. 6 minus 12 lambda equal to 0. Therefore, lambda is equal to 1 by 2. This lambda is equal to 1 by 2. You can substitute in 1 we get. You write here as x square plus y square minus 8x minus 6y plus 21 minus 1. No, it is plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 into x square plus y square minus 2x minus 15 equal to 0. Taking LCM as 2, you can get here as 3x square plus 3y square minus 3, 2 8 plus 16 minus 2. So it is 18x. 3x square plus 3y square minus 18x minus 2. This is 12y minus 12y plus 3 into 20, 2 into 20, 42, 42 minus 50. 42 minus 15 is 27. 27 equal to 0. So divide by 3. Therefore, required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y plus 9 equal to 0. We have completed system of circle examples. Now let us discuss exercise 2a. Model wise, I'll say students, exercise 2a. Let us going to discuss about 2 marks sums, later 4 marks like that. Exercise 2a, Roman number 1. Find K if the following pairs of circuits are orthogonal. Find K if x square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y x square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y minus 34 equal to 0, comma x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus k plus 2x plus 4y plus k equal to 0 are orthogonal. Using the condition 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. You can write here as given circles. Put the first circle as x square plus y square minus 5x minus 14y minus 34 equal to 0. And s dash is equal to x square plus y square plus 2x plus 4y plus k equal to 0. Write here the data. 2g is equal to minus 5. 2f equal to minus 14. C equal to minus 34. 2g dash is equal to 2. So g dash is equal to 1. 2f dash equal to 4. F dash equal to 2. C dash is equal to k. Condition of orthogonality I am writing. Condition of orthogonality. Condition of orthogonality is 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. 2g means here minus 5 into g dash 1. 2f means minus 14 into f dash equal to 2. Here this is minus 34 plus k. Minus 5 minus 28. This is minus 33 equal to minus 34 plus k. Therefore k is equal to 1. So you should remember the formula. Condition of orthogonality of two circles is 2gg dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. In the model Roman number 1 you do all the sums, and Roman number 1 in 1 you do sums, and Roman number 1 4 also you verify. Show that the circles given following equations intersect each other orthogonally. In page number 88, fourth Roman, 4 questions are there. Using the condition 2gg dash plus 2f dash equal to c plus c dash. Do the sums. Whatever the sums I left you do, students. Wherever the sums are, you are unable to understand, give me a message, no problem. Page number 88, fifth question is there. Passing through two circles, find the equation of circle intersect each of the following three circles orthogonally. I will say another method. Don't do now. Now let us discuss angle between third question. In remaining second sums, two sums are there, you do the two sums. Now page number 88, Roman number 1 to Roman number 1, third question I want to discuss with you. So that the angle between these two circles is 3 pi by 4, because it is also MP 2 marks question. Show that the angle between the circles x square plus y square minus a square comma x square plus y square minus ax minus ay equal to 0 is 3 pi by 4. Angle is 3 pi by 4. Given circles. X square plus y square minus a square equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to 0, 2f equal to 0, c is equal to minus a square. Next circle, x square plus y square minus ax minus ay equal to 0. Here 2g is equal to minus a. So g is equal to minus a by 2. 2f is equal to also minus a, f is equal to minus a by 2. C dash equal to 0. Using the notation angle between two circles, cos theta is equal to, write this formula, minus 2gg dash minus 2ff dash plus c dash by 2 root of g square plus f square minus c into root of g dash square plus f dash square minus c dash. Therefore, cos theta is equal to 2g. Here of course it is 0. 2g 0. So first one is 0 and second one is also 0. No need to write the values. Plus c minus a square. Plus c dash, this is 0. Whole by 2 into root of g square plus f square minus c. So 2r1, of course it is simply a. Into r2, root of a square by 4 plus a square by 4. Root of a square by 4 plus a square by 4. That is equal to minus a square by, here you can write as 2 into a square plus a square, 2a square before. Put a here and here you can write 2a square. 2a square over root by 2. This 2 and this 2 will be getting cancelled. You can write this one as minus a square by a square root a. So a into here root 2. A square get cancelled, minus 1 by root 2. Therefore, theta is equal to cos inverse of 1 minus 1 by root 2. Remember the formula, cos inverse of minus x is equal to pi minus cos inverse x in inverse trigonometric property. So you can write here pi minus of cos inverse of 1 by root 2. That is equal to pi minus, this is pi by 4. Therefore, angle between the two circles is equal to theta equal to 3 pi by 4 is correct answer. Roman number 1 completed from my end. Roman number 2, find the equation of circle. First question is there, find the equation of circle which passes through the origin and intersect the circle below orthogonally. Try yourself. Because two circles are there, first of all, whatever the circle we should know, you write as the required circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa plus c equal to 0. Whenever it is passing through 0, 0, there is no need to write c. C becomes 0. Simply write as x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fa equal to 0. Apply the condition of orthogonality for first one and second one also. Then you will be getting only gf, substitute the value in that. In the similar way, second one also you do. Find the second question, find the equation of circle which passes through the point 0, minus 3 and intersect the two circles orthogonally. Same in the first model, I said example like that you do. Now, let us going to discuss Roman number 2 third question and fourth question also. Roman number 2 third question. According to schedule here, Roman number 2, 3, 4, Roman number 3, 1, 1 to 6, 7, that's all. Remaining you can do. Let us discuss Roman number 2, third question, page 88. Find the equation of circle passing through origin. Find the equation of circle passing through origin. Passing through origin, comma, having center on the line, x plus y minus 4 equal to 0 and intersecting the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Find the equation of circle passing through origin, having center on the line x plus y equal to 4 and intersecting the circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. Passing through origin, it's okay. Center on the line, okay. Second one. This is another model. Draw rough diagram. It is a circle passing through 0, 0 and having center on the line x plus y equal to 4 and intersecting another circle. This is another circle. Orthogonally, this is the notation of orthogonal. Let the required equation of circle be. Let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy Directly you can write, because there is no chance to get C because it is passing through origin. X square plus y square plus 2x plus 2y plus C. Since center of circle minus g comma minus f. Since minus center minus g comma minus f lie on the line x plus y minus 4 equal to 0, that implies, substitute the value here, minus g minus f minus 4 equal to 0. G plus f plus 4 equal to 0. Let it be second equation. Right here minus g comma minus f. Center lie on the line. Also, one is orthogonal to circle 1 is orthogonal to the given circle x square plus y square minus 4x plus 2y plus 4 equal to 0. So apply the condition of orthogonality, 2g g dash plus 2f f dash equal to c plus c dash. That implies 2g means 2g only. G dash here taken as minus 2. 2g into minus 2 plus 2f into 1 is equal to c plus 4. There is no c. C means it is 0. Simply you can write it is 0 plus 4. So minus 4g plus 2f minus 4 equal to 0. Divide with minus 2. It becomes 2g minus f plus 2 is equal to 0. Let it be third equation. Solve 2 and 3, we get the values of g comma f. Solve 2 comma 3. 1, 4, 1, 1. Here minus 1, 2, 2, minus 1. This is for g, this is for f, this is for 1. G by 2 plus 4, 6. F by 8 minus 2, 6. 1 by minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Therefore, g is equal to minus 2, f is equal to also minus 2. Substitute in 1. From 1 we get the required equation of circle. From 1 we get required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 4y equal to 0. Roman number 2, third question completed. Let us discuss Roman number 2, fourth question. Find the equation of circle passes through the points 2, 0, 0, 2 and orthogonal to a given circle. Roman number 2, fourth question. Find the equation of circle. Find the equation of circle which passes through the points. Which passes through the points 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2, 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2 and orthogonal to the circle 2x square plus 2y square, 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. Find the equation of circle which passes through the point 2 comma 0, 0 comma 2 and which is and orthogonal to the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Here we can understand that the equation of a circle, let the required equation of circle is passing through x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2f plus c equal to 0. Let the required equation of a circle, let the required equation of circle be x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. Rough diagram. A circle is there. The circle is passing through 2 comma 0 and 0 comma 2 and it is orthogonal to another circle. Right here passing through. Put here this equation is 1. 1 passing through. 1 passing through 2 comma 0. So substitute here. You will be getting as 4g plus c is equal to minus 4. Second equation. Again you write 1 passing through. 1 passing through 0 comma 2. We get here 4f plus c is equal to minus 4. Third equation. Now let us discuss about the condition of orthogonality of the third circle. So whatever the third circle he given, we should standardize the given circle. Given circle we should write now. Given circle is, by standardization we will get like this. X square plus y square plus 5 by 2x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0. Let it be fourth equation. Since 1 comma 4 are orthogonal, first circle and fourth circle are orthogonal. So using the formula 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. 2gg dash plus 2ff dash equal to c plus c dash. What is 2g? 2g means simply 2g. G dash means here 5 by 4 plus 2f into f dash means here minus 3 by 2 equal to c plus 2. You can write this one as 5g by 2 minus 3f by 2 minus c equal to 2. It is better because we should get the value g and f. Let it be equation number 5. Now this is c and this is minus c. Add 2 and 5. 2 plus 5 I am writing. 4g plus 5g by 2. 2 4s are 8 plus 5. 13g by 2. 13g by 2 minus 3f by 2. C got cancelled is equal to minus 4 plus 2. So this is minus 2. 13g minus 6f plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the sixth equation. Now once again we should get cancelled C. Take this one and this one. Add 3 and 5. Now 3 plus 5. 3 plus 5 becomes 5g by 2. 5g by 2 plus 4f minus 3f by 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 minus 3f plus 5f. Plus 5f by 2 is equal to minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. We can write here 5g plus 5f plus 4 equal to 0. Let it be seventh equation. Now solving 6 comma 7 we get 6 comma 7 we get the answer as minus 6 4 13 minus 6 5 4 5 4. This is for G, this is for F, this is for 1. G by minus 24 minus 20 minus 44. F by 20 minus 52 minus 32. 1 by 52 plus 30 82. G is equal to minus 44 by 82. F is equal to minus 32 by 82. So G is equal to, what is the C? From, let us discuss once. X 2x square plus everything okay. Okay, if there is any mistake you can verify, students. Simply model I am saying. G is equal to minus 22 by 41. F is equal to minus 16 by 41. This much will not be, I think. 41x square answer is not there. Maybe somewhere it is wrong. Exercise 2A, Roman number 2, fourth question. Exercise 2A, Roman number 2, fourth question. 7 is there. So maybe here 42 like that. 13 4 is 52 plus 30. It is exactly 82. 41x square concept is not there, will not be. 8x, so 8 by 7 we got. So 6 is a 48 by 42 will be value. Let us verify once. Read the question. Roman number 2, fourth question. Find the equation of circle passing through the point 2, 0 and 0, 2 orthogonal to the circle 2x square plus 2y square plus 5x minus 6y plus 4 equal to 0. Let the equation of circle is x square plus y square plus 2x plus 2f plus equal to 0. 2, 0 substitute here 2, 4, 0, 4g plus 0 plus c. 4g plus c equal to minus 4, it is correct. And 0, 2 it is also correct. And standardize the equation x square plus y square plus 5 by 2 x minus 3y plus 2 equal to 0, it is also correct. Since 1 and 4 are orthogonal, 2g into g dash means 5 by 2, 2f into f dash means minus 3 by 2, exactly, is equal to c plus 2. This is 5g by 2 minus, here we got, this is 6f by 2. This is 6f by 2, not 3f by 2. 6f by 2 minus c equal to 0. Because 2 into 2. 2 into 3. 6f by 2. Later 2 plus 5. 4g. So this is not minus 3f by 2. Minus 6f by 2. Is equal to minus 2. So 13g. 4g plus 5g. 2 4s are 8. 8 plus 5. 13g by 2. Simply minus 6f by 2, yes, is equal to minus 2. So by taking LCM, 13g minus 6f is equal to minus 4 plus 2, we got same answer. 13g minus 6f plus 4. Next let us discuss about this one, 4f plus c. Here may be changing. 4f plus 6, 5g by 2, 4f minus 6f by 2. 2 4 that 8 minus 6f, 2f by 2. This is 2f by 2 is equal to, of course this is minus 4 plus 2 minus 2. From here we can change. Taking LCM, here we can write 5g plus 2f This minus 2 taken this side plus 4 equal to 0. 5g plus 2f plus 4 equal to 0. This is seventh equation. Now let us solve 6 comma 7. So minus 6, 4, 13 minus 6. Here 2, 4, 5, 2. This is for g, this is for f, this is for 1. G by 6 into 4, 24, minus 24, minus 20, minus 44. F by 4, 5 are 20, 20 minus 52, minus 32. 1 by 13 to the 26, 26 plus 30, 56. Now we can write g is equal to minus 44 by 56, comma f is equal to minus 32 by 56. Therefore, g is equal to 2 table, minus 22 by 28, fourth table, minus 11 by 40. F is equal to fourth table, minus 8 by 14. So, we can say that here, substitute this value, you will be getting as from 3. So, from 3 I am getting 4f plus c, f is equal to minus 8 by 14. This one we can write as minus 4 by 7. Minus 4 by 7 plus c is equal to minus 4. So, c is equal to minus 4 plus 4 by 7. 7 4s are minus 28, minus 28, minus 4. This is minus 24 by 7. Required equation of circle. Required equation of circle is x square plus y square minus 11 by 14. So 11 by 7 here, because it is 2g. X minus 4 by 7. So it is minus 8 by 7y plus c means minus 24 by 7 equal to 0. By taking LCM 7 into x square plus y square, like that you can get the answer. If you found any mistake, repeat the sum and do it your own, students. Okay students, let us continue in next class.